Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have struggled with eczema on my hands for several years now, so I am so grateful to have recently discovered this gloves in a bottle hand shielding lotion. This lotion has a great consistency that is not heavy or too rich. I've had several lotions in the past that claim to be non-greasy, but when I actually used them, I found this to be not exactly the case. I've personally found that this lotion is different in that I really feel like it is not greasy on my hands. After I put it on my hands and I rub it in, it absorbs completely into my skin. My hands feel so silky and smooth and with absolutely no feeling like there is a residue left on them. I really appreciate how this lotion does double duty because in addition to moisturizing my skin, it also offers protecting benefits. This is very beneficial to me because often when I'm working in the kitchen and I'm preparing food and going back and forth, I don't always have time to put on gloves. Besides dishwashing, I'm also a frequent hand washer, and especially now during this time of the year when there are so many cold and flu viruses going around. The skin on my hands now feels extra reinforced to withstand all of this hand washing and dishwashing, and it's also great for using in between those times too. I have long felt like having eczema on my hands was one of the worst places to have it, but now with this gloves in a bottle lotion, I'm not so worried anymore. And that's my point of view.